Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to recover deleted videos from any Android phone when you lost or delete any videos. But in this you can easily recover or restore all deleted videos. So let's see. So first of all, go to your Google Chrome. After that, choose and open Google Chrome, and in this here write and search deleted video recovery app. Scroll down, more apps, open it. After that you can see deleted video recovery app. Please open this app. Deleted video recovery, please install this app. After install this app and then open it, select preferred language. After that you can see many languages. In this time I can choose English language. After that choose restore. In this here you can see restore deleted videos, view restored videos, delete large videos. So in this time you can choose and open restore deleted videos. Click on it. Allow deleted video recovery to access photos and videos on this device. After that you can see three options: allow limited access, allow all, don't allow. In this you can choose allow all. Scanning completed, 164 deleted files found. After that you can see show deleted files, open it. And in this here I can see my all deleted videos, and in this time I can easily recover or restore deleted videos. So let's see. So first of all you can choose and open any deleted videos, and in this time you can choose and select you need deleted videos. You can see in this time I can choose and select some deleted videos. After that you can see restore now, click on it. Confirm restore. Are you sure you want to restore the selected videos? After that you can see two options, cancel or OK. In this time you can choose OK. Deleted video recovery, and in this way you can easily recover or restore your deleted videos from any Android phone or recover deleted videos from phone. And remember, your all recover or restore deleted videos save on your phone gallery. And in this way you can easily recover or restore deleted videos from phone or recover or restore all deleted videos from any Android phone. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.